Welcome to the first video of Make Tools in Schools. So this is first in a series of 50 videos I've planned to make. We're going to start off by making simple ruler. And we get ruler tape. And some of these items that you'll see are linked below. But ruler tape, this one here, isn't quite as good because it starts and stops right at 12. So when you cut this, you have to be pretty exact. This other one, it has metric and it gives you a little bit of a leeway between the start and the stop. So this is this particular brand, is Scotch. The other one, I'm not sure, but potentially I'll get the link down below, make it easy to find. So kids, students making their own ruler, we need to have a paint stick, just a regular stick, even a used paint stick. This is a dowel. This is a corner round, which makes for an interesting one. We've got some others here. We've got a corner molding and a square dowel. And what we'll do with that, actually I don't have a pencil, excuse me. Okay. So if your sticks don't come as paint sticks and they come with something else, mark out where you want to cut them. Bring them over to the edge of the table. Get your hanger saw. Okay, that didn't work quite as well as I thought. Anyhow, once you've cut it to size, roll out your tape, have the kids cut it. The advantage of making your own rulers is that the kids have value. They find value in creating something. They can also embellish it, add googly eyes. Actually, they can add googly eyes, they can add flowers, all sorts of knickknacks to it to customize their own ruler. And in the process, have them discover what rulers are already in the classroom and see how they are made. This isn't strictly about making a ruler. It's also about how things are made. So there's many different varieties, plastic, ones that bend, ones that don't bend. Have them discover how many different kinds of rulers are already in the classroom. Get them some ruler tape, some sticks. There's even a shim in here, and some fun doodads and a scissor, and you can get them working on rulers. It's the beginning of designing other tools that we make. And I'll show you those in a little while.